Okay, in our Model Ys, we have a lot of clearance underneath the seats. And if you notice, this is the rear heat vent for the back seat. And this is where the lower heat comes out to heat your feet. Of course, the vent's here for the upper heating condition. But these are our vent covers. These go right on over the vents. We're going to show you how to install them. And again, it'll stop a lot of things from rolling in here. So the vent covers are great, smart idea, simple, and you won't lose anything rolling inside that can get and plug up the ventilation system. So let's show you how to put these on. Okay, so in the box, you'll notice we give you a pair, one for the right, one for the left. And you'll notice the only way you can install them is to put them down with a double-sided tape around the perimeter where we have the flat edge. So there's no edge on top, so that means they go on like this. Just simply peel and stick. They'll sit right in place like that, stuck in there. The carpet, it's kind of like up to you if you want to stick it down, but this will stop anything from rolling in, keep the vents clean of debris, and allow the heat to travel right through. Thanks again. Just peel them and stick them and clean this off good with alcohol or rubbing alcohol before you install it. Okay, so all you got to do is remove any loose debris, clean it out, so to speak, and pull off all of the red, we call this backing tape. The backing tape is what protects the... Okay, so you got to pick at these sometimes to get them started and pull it all off. And now, again, remember the top has no leading edge and the bottom just fits on like this. So just rest it on, just like that. Push it down and apply pressure. Pressure adhesive tape just needs pressure to activate it, and it even looks better. The carpet up there still isn't the best because this really isn't seen, but just put some pressure on the bottom, top, sides, and then repeat on the other side. Now you can see that when things slide around, nothing's going to go underneath the vent. It's going to be awesome. Going to keep everything clean when going in there. Thanks a lot.